Welcome to a new episode of the House of the Nomad. Today we are the guest of Hanne and we are going to take a look inside this beautiful tiny house. Hey, my name is Arnoud and in this series we're gonna look inside alternative homes. From a tiny house to living in a ship or in a water tower. Whatever it is, we're gonna look inside. Do you enjoy this kind of content? Please subscribe, you will help this channel a lot. We are in Belgium, around 15 kilometers away from Antwerp. This tiny house is made in a television series called The Tiny House Battle. In this battle, two teams have 9 days to build a place to live in. After a short period, a couple, in this story Hanne and Sam, makes the decision which one they want to buy. The tiny house is built by people who are not specific tiny house builders. People from different backgrounds have built this. A chef, a hairdresser, a team that had the spirit to build something pretty in a short period of time. One and a half years ago, this beautiful little house was settled here. And Hanne told me that she was very happy on this spot. Every morning waking up with the sounds of birds in the backyard. Big window that creates lots of lights, but also the smart way of building and designing makes it a perfect example of a tiny house. When we go inside, the first thing we see is the big kitchen. Lots of rooms to make a good meal. Also, the little windows on the sides are beautiful designs. The interior, that's mostly made of recycled wood, was rejected by real estate companies. And as you can see, you can make something really nice with old wood. My favorite part of the house is the layers that they use. The couch is on top of the dishwasher and the refrigerator. Hanne told me that the biggest downside was that it's difficult to have lots of friends come over, especially in the winter. When you don't have the opportunity to sit outside, it's gonna be a full house. The bedroom is beautiful, lots of wood. It feels cozy over here. Also here we have a lot of layers to create storage room for clothing and other stuff. So my question to you is, would you see yourself living in this tiny house? Did you enjoy this content and you want to see more of it? Please subscribe, you will help the channel a lot. Thank you and see you in the next episode of the House of the Nomad.